180% density. Okay guys, so in this video you guys will see how I defined my natural hair. Okay, you guys will see how I installed this kinky curly wig. But what kind of wig is it? It's a V-Part wig with minimum leave out. And just to show you guys, this is my hair. This is the wig. Wig, my hair. Boop. Easy is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So if you guys want to see how I got to this, because it doesn't come out the box like this, what curly wig really does. We got to put in just a little bit of work, but it's not that much work. So if you'd like to see how I got to this step in this very quick and simple install, just keep on watching. So let's get right into what I'm going to be using to install. So my hair is whatever it got going on right now. This looks straighter because I used this in a, I used this part of my hair for a leave out for a body wave, V-Part wig, and that's why this hair looks a little straighter, but it's okay because we're about to revert it back for this kinky curly V-Part wig from CURLYME collection. And here is the boxing. You guys, this boxing is very pretty. I really like how it came in the package, and let's just go right inside. So they do have the wig in a bag. This is a V-Part wig. And also inside they have some lashes, a cap, a band, like a satin band, as well as like a little care guide manual thing. But all in all, I love the packaging, and that's what it looks like straight out the package. Now, onto the hair. So the hair does come in like a little baggie. So I just took it out the baggie. And this is the wig. So I'm gonna take the little net off the wig because we don't need her. We don't need the net. All right. Oh, it's getting caught in my belly ring. Oh, static electricity. So this is the V-Part wig straight out of the mesh cap. So I can already tell these are gonna be some juicy curls. How pretty this hair is. I'm so excited. So these are the curls straight out, not manipulated. All right. So I'm showing you guys how they look now because I plan on going in and getting the curls a little more of a texture. You do that by either co-washing or just simply adding like your products and stuff in it to get it just kind of, you know, damp-ish wet, and that's gonna help you set your curls and define them out. All right. So the construction of this wig, there are 4 clips near the parting space. They have a comb in the middle, which I don't think I really used this one. Combs by your ears, as well as a comb in the back with an adjustable strap. So I'm a fan of the clips and the combs. I love how a lot of wigs are starting to have like that combination. Typically, if I see a wig has the clips on it, I'm gonna do some sort of anchor braid to help give the hair a little bit more security as it's laying on my head. But if it has combs here, I don't do anchor braids. I just do my hair in a low bun. And truthfully, I can still do that with the clips. I just like for a secured, you know, foundation. So I'm just going to be doing my foundation really quickly, and then I'll be back to install and style. So I don't think I've ever talked through this part, and I plan on doing that if I could find a comb. I found a comb. So guys, I'm so disappointed in myself because every video I watch that I do, I'm not getting my hair in the middle. Like, I don't understand. So let's try this again. It's okay if it's not like directly in the middle. It's totally fine. This is a V-Part wig, so I'm leaving out minimum leave out. Okay, so this is what we're looking like, guys. So my hair can kind of be sitting. I'm gonna add a little bit of water and my LiQWYD Milk and Honey Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner to my natural hair. I will also use this in the V-Part wig just to kind of help it like start to revert back a little bit, because I'm going to be needing it reverted. Reverted. So I'm just gonna plait that down out of the way. All right, now that that is out of the way, I will be getting some hair out right here for my ankle braid. A little bit of hair on each side, people. That's what I'm using for my ankle braids. And I will just braid down. So these two pieces will be pulled back in my low bun. Y'all, I do a low bun. Low bun. All right, so let's go ahead and try this wig on. First thing I do is unclip the 4 clips, if it has any clips. And y'all, I love the construction of V-Part wigs. All right, first time trying it on. Ooh, I love how it fits already. So y'all, with the comb, I feel for it. I take it and I comb it into my side, all right? That's how that looks. This may be a little too close to my front. And y'all, sometimes with clip features, you just have to play around with it and see what works best for you. I like that a little better. And then I will repeat the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna brush her out a bit because I want to give it some layers. I'm gonna do one side at a time so you guys can see. Okay, 180% density. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in and take all the hair. All right, let's work in halves. So because this is a lot of density hair, we're gonna work in halves. The products that I will be using for this hair is LiQWYD with Milk and Honey Refine Me Curl. This would be the go-to, especially if you want your hair to dry quickly. Any type of mousse that is curl enhancing would be great to use. This is one of my favorites right now. Foam wrapping lotion in the past is also one of my favorites. So yeah, check that out. My coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie, just a dab. My grenade fruit teas leave-in, just a dab. LiQWYD Milk and Honey Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner. How much, people? Just a dab. So to get this hair like Poppington, let's go in with some of this mousse first. Use my fingers to rake that through. If you want to save products, just dab in the hair before you start. I don't know why I'm being lazy and didn't do that. I have a powder brush here to help me activate some of these curls. Scrunch my fingers up. If you want to add some body, you can literally do like finger curls. Y'all, that was so pretty. I would do that randomly throughout. I'm not going to do it to the whole head. Just want to show you guys how that looks. If it looks a little jumbled up, just do it again. That's a flyaway that I could trim off. And actually, guys, I'm going to go in and dampen the hair a little bit just to make this process a little bit easier, all right? The top of this part now, and I just want to go in and like explain how so far I've only been using my LiQWYD products. So that's my curl mousse and the curl leave-in conditioner. Those are the only products that I have been using right now, and I like the definition that it's getting just with like that 1-2 punch combo. So I have not used my Garnier Fructis, and I have not used my Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is literally just my LiQWYD products. And I'm very much impressed with how these two products are defining these curls. I'm impressed. So I'm going to finish up these last two curls, and then I'm going to come back to you guys with both sides done. So I'm going to do the other side off camera. But again, all I'm doing is taking my LiQWYD and taking a little bit of the leave-in milk and honey and putting that on the hair and finger coiling at my own discretion, like. And I will come back to you guys with the other side defined. Hey guys, so the hair is defined, it's damp, it is not wet. So I kind of want to hurry up and get my hair doing what it needs to do to be with this leave out gang, okay? So this is my leave out. Yeah, my hair is not really like this, so I'm about to put some water to my hair and get it reverted back. Okay, so I ain't gonna do nothing major with my leave out. So I'm gonna take my hair with some of this hair and just wrap it around like so. And I'm going to repeat that process I'm going to take some of my actual hair with the hair of the V-Part and finger coil it like so. So this is the hair completely defined out. I have my leave-in with it. Guys, so this is the hair completely defined out. I will be coming back to you guys when it is dry. So far, I love the definitions that the curls get when they are defined. So I will come back to you guys when it is freshly dry and give you a little bit more details about it. Okay guys, guys, so that is it for this video. Can we get into these curls? Yes. Y'all, so far I'm in love with this hair. I added like a little swoop in the middle just to add to like the natural look. My hair blended very well with this unit. This is my leave out, and that's the curl I get after I unspiral my hair. So I'm just show you. This is the wig, my hair wig. That's just the product, the leave-in conditioner. But this is my hair. Not much left out at all. Just gonna put that back over there. She blends right in. Thank you so much to CURLYMEHAIR for this beautiful V-Part wig. All the information on this hair will be in the description box, so if you want to check it out, please feel free to do so, because y'all know I love some curl. Y'all know I love some curly hair, and if you didn't know, now you know, because I am a curl girl. I'm for the curls, all right? If you find this video helpful, you should go ahead and give me a like, comment down below what you think, and while you are here, you should subscribe to my channel to come take off with me and to see more how to do it yourself, how to beginner friendly, how to easy, how to simple, how to slay, how to be cute, and all that good stuff right here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video. Bye guys.